In this video, we are going to break down exactly what RWA is. And more importantly, now how trading actually works when real world assets are brought onto the crypto powered platform. So, guys, let's simplify this concept. RWA means taking assets from traditional like gold, oil, forex, currency pairs, stock, indices, and making them accessible through the blockchain based system. This doesn't mean the asset itself is on chain. So guys, but the access, trading and exposure are now powered by the crypto infrastructure. So instead of going through banks and traditional brokers, you are interacting with the global market using digital assets like USDT. So guys, why this thing is important to us, guys? Let me show you why this thing is. This is a major shift, guys. Because traditionally, Forex requires brokers, gold required commodities platforms, stock required separate exchanges. But with the RWA integration, everything becomes unified, everything becomes faster, and everything becomes more accessible globally, guys. And you can also check out a lot of things. This is why many people believe RWA could be one of the biggest trend in the crypto space, and that's what Bitget is trying to do, because they are one of the first who brought this thing on this platform. And after that, guys, now real question is, how does trading actually work when these real world assets are connected to the crypto? Let's break down on the based on the demo, guys. First of all, guys, in the demo you are seeing in the trading environment that looks very similar to the traditional fair markets, guys, but the back end in the different, the pricing comes from the real world market. The execution happens digitally and the collateral using in crypto like USD. So essentially you are trading a real market price movements, but without needing traditional financial infrastructure. So when you look at the charts in the demo, those prices or movements are not random. These are directly influenced by the real world factors like economic news, interest rates, global demand and supply, market sentiment. For example, if gold demand increasing globally and price moves up, if USDT becomes stronger, forex pairs reacts. And so even though you are using a crypto platform, you are still trading real world market logic. So when your trade is open, you are essentially predicting direction like a buy or sell here in front of you, guys. Your profit loss depends upon how the market move, and this is the calculated in real time. This is why you can constant updates the profit and loss when the trade is active, guys. So guys, one of the most powerful and risky features of our system is the leverage, guys. You can also literally select over the leverage on this platform, and leverage allows to control a larger with a smaller amount of the capital. This increases potential profit, but at the same time it also increases risk significantly. This is why understanding market direction is more important than entering trades. So guys, why this model, what makes this model interesting in this combination? So crypto as an access layer and real world assets as underlying access. According to the platform system design, this approach is meant to simplify global trading by removing traditional barriers. So instead of multiple platforms, everything's brought to one unified platform. So RWA is not just a trend; it's a transformation in how financial markets are accessed. And when you saw in the demo, in a practical example of how the system actually works, the question is: are you early or are you late? If you found this breakdown useful, so you need to do everything I'm going to tell you. First of all, guys, here on the Bitget you can see, you can this is the stocks here, and you can also select out the stocks here. Like, you can also check it out. Here's the stock, guys. You can literally invest in stocks on the Bitget, which is super easy way. And like, you can also find out the Tesla and like NVT, triple Q, on IW, everything's at Amazon. You can also check out, let's just like, if you want to invest in the Google, you can also click on the Google here, and you need to enter the amount how much you want to invest in the Google. Like, you can also enter the amount, and you can also select out the TP or SL. You can also enter the price, on which price it will be closed and open. Everything is there in front of you, guys. If you don't want to, you can have to do there. And like that, I have $0 in this platform, so you can go and buy the Google on like that. You can literally buy the stocks in this platform. You can also go beyond crypto. You can also explore gold, forex and more on this platform on the Bitget here, how you can check it out. Forex commodities, everything will be shown up there in front of you guys, so you can go and check it out. Indices, forex, commodities on this platform, and you can take a lot of benefits using the Bitget today, because this they are doing so much crazy work over there. If you don't know how to do, you can also check out their guide is also available there, and more things on this platform are also available there, so you can go and check them out too. Every links are in the description, and you can also literally trade like gold, silver, literally a lot of things on this platform are available, so you can also check it out. All our links are in description. If you don't have Bitget, so links are in the description, so you need to go and join the Bitget today with my link, which is in the description. And I have already shown you how you can trade the stocks, indices, everything on this platform using the crypto, and Bitget. Everything is there in front of you. So guys, that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. So I will meet you in the next videos. Have a great day. Please keep safe and stay happy.